Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you my new project. This one is a bracelet. Okay, you can see this is a bracelet, and if you will extend this, you can use this one also as a necklace and a bracelet. Okay, can be used as a bracelet. Look at here. This one is made from the recycled rings from the mineral water. This one is the rings of the mineral water. Look here. This is from this mineral water, from this product, Tabina, Ponti Tabina mineral water. This is a product of Italy, imported from Italy, but we bought this one from the Diner supermarket here in Switzerland. So all you need is to remove the rings. This is the mineral water. Remove the rings from this portion, this one, and now this is the one. Okay, so in this project we need 4 to 5 pieces rings. Okay, and this is the rings that we are going to use. So our main materials is the plastic rings. We need some jump rings. This is a golden color to match our project. We need this lock for the bracelet. I'm using one, and I need this dresser to handle my or to pick up my materials, and I need this golden thread. I'm going to use this one to wrap around the rings of the mineral water. This golden thread, you can find this in the DM market in Germany, and you can find all other different ribbons that you need for gift wrapping. So we need each of this ring, we need half yard or half meters. I'm going to cut half meter from this. Okay, so by the use of your scissor, you have to cut this golden thread. This is our materials, and we need a little bit of this liquid glue. So now I'm going to show you how to start this project. So this is our main project for today. This is a bracelet and can be used also as a necklace. So this is our rings. Now we need 4 to 5 pieces rings, depends on the length of your or the measurement of your bracelet, of your arms, the measurement. So look at here, this one, you have to insert this golden thread. Any thread you can use, as long as you can use to cover for this plastic ring. So look at here. So from the right side, you have to keep 2 inches. Okay, just tie it here, just make it firmly, tight it, and this is the rest. So you have to wrap around from here. Okay, wrap around from here, continue to wrap around until you finish. Okay, look at here. So continue. So you have to continue until the end of the rings. And when you finish, you have to adjust the thread by just doing like this. Oh, okay. So just continue until the end. Look at here, the thread separated. So in order to fix this one, you have to put a little bit of the liquid glue. Okay, just put a little bit of the glue by putting from your finger nails, and just do it like this. Okay, just to keep the thread together. Okay, like that. Okay. So when you are finished already, look at here. When you reach already on the last part of the ring, look at here. So this is the last part. So when it is already filled up with the thread, presuming you already finished wrapping around, look at here. So when this is already filled up all, you have to connect it from the another rings. Okay, so all you need to do is to just connect these two sides of the thread. Look at here, this is the two sides of the thread, like this. This is just a sample for you how to connect from one ring to other. Look at here. Then you have to give a space and you make a space from here and tie around. So by using your pliers, you can pull up the thread like this. Okay, so, and you can tie around again, and it will look like this. Okay, the space of each of the rings must look like this. Okay, look at here. Okay, so presuming all is finished, okay, this one is no need to put glue. Okay, so the one I show you is only a sample on how to connect from one ring to the other. Okay, so now, presuming this is already finished, that you have already making, or you are already wrapping this ring, and you connect from here, give a space, make a knot here 3 times, and then you have to connect, and again start to wrap around the thread into the ring. And when you finish at the end, you have to fix it here on the center and make a knots 3 times, 1 2, tie it 1 2 3, then connect again here, and again start to wrap around until at the end, then lock it, and you have to make another 3 knots and continue until you finish here. Okay, so now it looks like this. So this ring, you only have to connect. This is the rings I have here. Look at here, this is the rings. All you need is to connect the ring from each other. Look, so if you have a ready-made already rings chain, you can use the chain. Since I don't have a chain, so I'm using these single pieces of the jump rings. Look at here, then I connect it from one another so that it will form a chain. Okay, look at here, so it looks like already a chain. So this is this, so it look like this now. Okay, so from the other side you have to connect also a ring. So this is the one, you will connect a ring. Look at here, I will connect one ring because this one is we're going to put a lock. So I'm going to put the lock here. One, look, I have to add one more chain first. Okay, add one more chain and I will attach the lock. So this is now the lock. I will insert into the jump rings and close it like this. Okay, and now we have already the lock here, and this is the chain. So this is already our bracelet. Look at here. So in order that the chain will be strong, you have to fix the jump rings. You have to overlap. Look at here, you have to overlap. You make the ring like this. Okay, do not fix like this, do it like this. Okay, in order that it will not feel off. Look at here, I overlap a little bit. Here, considering to be sure that it will be strong, so you have to overlap the ends of the jump rings. Let's see, this is the jump rings. Okay, overlap it, and after you have to press it with the use of your pliers. So now it's already here, and now I'm going to show you how to wear this one. This is already our bracelet, and with the use, look at here, I'm going to hold this one. Look at there, I'm going to open first the lock, then I'm going to wear this bracelet. So this is already our bracelet, okay? So I hope you learn from this tutorial on how to create a bracelet made from the recycled rings of the mineral water. Okay, so this is now the transformation of the rings from the mineral water. Now here I'm going to wear it in my hand, and now I have already the bracelet here. Okay, this is the amazing transformation of the rings from the mineral water. This is the rings. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you learn on how to recycle and create different projects out from recycled materials. So stay tuned and keep watching so that you will learn many things from me. Okay, and thank you very much for all your support to make my channel grow, and thank you to all my subscribers who completed the requirements of 1,000 subscribers from the YouTube requirements. And thank you for the YouTube company for giving me the chance to create a YouTube channel so that I can share my ideas and my skills to other people. And that's all, and happy viewing. Ciao. So this is now my bracelet. Okay, how I will do it. Okay.